I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Install the split screen app and grant overlay and storage permissions so Windows can float. Next, pick a layout, horizontal, vertical, or custom grid, because layout defines window behavior. Once done, open the 2 or 3 apps you plan to use and close heavy background tasks to avoid lag. Make sure your device has sufficient battery or is plugged in. This prevents unexpected interruptions during configuration. You now configure each window. Drag app icons into the panes and use the resize handles or pinch gestures to set proportions, 1/2, 2/3, or a custom split, so each app gets the space it needs. Then, enable focus mode, input sharing, or audio routing to control where input and sound go. After that, set practical shortcuts, gesture, quicktile, or keyboard hotkeys, so you can toggle split screen quickly without digging through menus. You finish by saving layout presets and naming them for tasks like work, media, or chat, because presets speed future use. Then, tune performance. Lower animations and disable background sync when you notice lag, which reduces CPU and memory strain. If something goes wrong, restart the split screen app first. Next, regrant overlay or accessibility permissions and clear the app cache. These steps usually fix frozen panes or input issues. If not, reboot the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.